Let us start the next topic, Java OOPS. This is very important as per Java concern. The main aim of object-oriented programming is to implement real-world entities. Simula is considered the first object-oriented programming language, whereas Smalltalk is considered as truly object-oriented programming language. Upon completion of this video, you will know the aim of the OOPS and the concepts of OOPS. The main concepts that are included in OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. The other concepts that are included are coupling, cohesion, association, aggregation, and composition. Object: any entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. For example, a chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, etc. It can be physical or logical. An object can be defined as an instance of a class. Class, collection of objects, is called class. Inheritance: when one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism: if one task is performed in different ways, it is known as polymorphism. We use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Abstraction: hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, phone call, we don't know the internal processing. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. Encapsulation: binding or wrapping code and data together into a single unit are known as encapsulation. For example, a capsule, it is wrapped with different medicines. A Java class is the example of encapsulation. Java Bean is the fully encapsulated class because all the data members are private here. However, we discuss briefly about the inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction in the coming lectures. Coupling refers to the knowledge, or information, or dependency of another class. Cohesion refers to the level of a component, which performs a single well-defined task. Association: association represents the relationship between the objects. Here, one object can be associated with one object or many objects. There can be 4 types of association between the objects: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. Let's understand the relationship with real-time examples. For example, one country can have one prime minister, one-to-one, and a prime minister can have many ministers, one-to-many. Also, many MPs can have one prime minister, many-to-one, and many ministers can have many departments, many-to-many. Association can be unidirectional or bidirectional. Aggregation. Aggregation is a way to achieve association. Aggregation represents the relationship where one object contains other objects as a part of its state. It represents the weak relationship between objects. It is also termed as a relationship in Java. Composition. The composition is also a way to achieve association. The composition represents the relationship where one object contains other objects as a part of its state. There is a strong relationship between the containing object and the dependent object. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the next lecture. Have a nice day.